YouTube launches new features for Shorts, OpenAI's upcoming search product, and LinkedIn expands Accelerate campaigns on this week's Marketing Minute. YouTube is rolling out several new features for Shorts, including text-to-speech, Add Yours, and Minecraft stickers. These enhancements are set to make Shorts more engaging and interactive, capturing a wider audience and providing more creative tools for content creators. OpenAI is developing a new search product, and The Atlantic has signed a deal to be included. This move highlights the increasing integration of AI in content delivery and search capabilities, potentially reshaping how users access and interact with information. LinkedIn is expanding access to its automated Accelerate campaigns, now available to all brands. This tool will help marketers streamline their campaign management and optimize performance, making LinkedIn an even more valuable platform for brand promotion and professional networking. I hope this has given you some insights into what's trending in marketing this week. If you learned something, drop a like. If you found it valuable, share it with your network. For the Colling Media Marketing Minute, I'm Damon Evans Avatar.